This is Dave from Blackbird Cycles. We're at Pop's Barbecue. They're open 11 to 7, Monday through Saturday, 11 to 2 on Sundays. They got some good barbecue. They got a lot of steaks, pork steaks and stuff like that. And just kind of give you a look at the place. This is in Benton, Illinois. This on September 27th. So you guys don't hesitate to stop in before then and eat. But we'll see y'all on the Cannonball. Ready to roll some, eat some barbecue and win a race. Anyway, y'all check back with us and we'll get the rest of the stops filmed for you guys. Take it easy. This is Dave from Blackbird Cycles. Don't forget to like and subscribe.